Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 11 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be entering familiar territory and going back to our 8-note scale with exercise number 15.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Use this work on the 8-note scale to really feel the influence of the change of registration as you go from the bottom to the top and back down again. And again, as you're coming down, think that high French nasal position to keep everything in tune. So let's give it a try. I'm going to start here on C4. Let's skip around. Great. Now you can also choose this exercise to use as a range extending exercise. And if you do that, experiment with the rhythm. So I'm going to do a little bit of range extension here. We're going to go up into that higher area. Just feel that ease and the flow of the breath as you go in and out of that place without keep letting the resonance kind of drop as you come down.